Hi guys, welcome back to the question set 22 of the series. So let's get started with the first question. Find the details of the students who participated in the singular subject in the examination held on 2020 15th of March. So here I have used 3 inner joins to combine these 3 tables, which are student exam mark record, subject and the exemption table. Here we can see the conditions in which we have used to combine the 2 tables. So now let's see the result. So here are the details of the students who participated in the single subject in the examination. So here are the results. To the next question, as Sanun Vijayaratna, find out these marks of the examinations in which the student appeared on this date, the date of the examination, the term, the number of admissions, and the name of the subject. We also, as before, have used 3 inner joins along with the conditions, and let's execute and see. So these are the results. To the next question, find the name, subject, marks, term of the examination, date of the examination of the students who obtained between 40 and 70 marks in the subject of mathematics held on this date. So when it comes to this question, we also have used 3 inner joins along with the condition to join the 2 tables together. So here I have used between function to get the numbers between 40 and 70. Between. So now let's execute and see the result. So these are the results. The first name, last name, subject name, mark and term name, as well as the exam date. So to the next question, 4th question, who is the highest scoring student in the first term out of all the students? We also have used 2 subqueries along with 3 inner joins to combine the tables together. We have used max function to get the highest mark, highest number from this table. Let's execute and see. So here is the result. Ananda Moses is the student who scored the highest in the first term test. And that's it for the question set 22. See you soon.